So I think you will agree that everyone wants to be healthy, wealthy, beautiful, powerful, but not everyone is healthy, wealthy, beautiful, powerful. And the question is why? Because most people are not willing to pay again and again and again and again every day the price of freedom, the price of health, the price of wealth, the price of beauty. They are not willing to actually pay the price. And if you think there's no price to pay, it's because you're not paying it, because you're not willing to pay it. But you take any successful person, and if you actually hear the story of what he had to pay, what was his personal investment in the success, you will be amazed. The stories are just unbelievable. And I've heard many of them, and I experienced on me personally what I had to invest. Now, when you do that, when you do decide that you want to invest the time, the effort, the attention, the work in becoming successful in all parts of life, physically, mentally, business-wise, family-wise, etc., you discover that all those things are really just an issue of knowing how to manage your relationships with all those areas. How to manage your relationship with your clients, with your suppliers, with your employees, with the IRS, with your wife, with your children, with your body. It's all just an issue of relationships. If your life is not ideal, if your life is not what you want them to be, if you're failing, if you are not really achieving your full potential, you have to realize that you have a relationship problem. That's all. It's a relationship problem. And once you realize what is the source of the problem, it's quite easy to fix it. You come to my relationship seminar and you attend the first 3 hours, you realize that something can be done about it, and you continue from there, and your life change, and your bank account change, and you become cause and not effect. Be there. Find the link somewhere below in my bio or whatever, but be there. Do whatever it takes to be there. Bye-bye.